Hello, I'm Christopher White. I'm here teaching the class called Carving Wood into Movement Alongside the Spirit. And this is where we learn to take a piece of found wood or stone and turn it into movement by applying a simple set of principles. This class, the students will take a piece of found wood, and the type of sculpture, the type of wood sculpture we're doing is called interpretive, to where there's room for interpretation. So it may have some realism in it, or it may be what a lot of people would call purely abstract. But every piece of wood has in it lines and planes. The area between two lines is a plane. So they learn to recognize what's there and then manipulate it to make it more movement. And I'll be here next June, early June. And if you're interested in taking a class or one of those many awesome classes here at Marc, then click in the links below, and hopefully we'll see you next June.